Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to hide profile photo in WhatsApp. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your WhatsApp application, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. And click settings. Okay guys, here in settings, click account. And account, click privacy. Okay guys, here in privacy, so okay, you can see the profile photo. So okay, all you have to do is click profile photo and the pop-up will show, and okay, you can set the profile photo for everyone, or in this tutorial I will teach you how to hide the profile photo to everyone. So okay, you'll have to do is click the nobody. So okay guys, that's it. Your profile photo are hide to everyone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.